Quickie guys, I've been getting asked where did I get my wire strippers from. I'm convinced it was Lidl. Middle for Lidl, I'm sure it was. I think they're only about 8 or 9 quid. They're not expensive items, but by God they make your life a lot easier, these things, I tell you. They strip twin and earth for outer casing. Take that straight off. It obviously will strip individual conductors, because that's wire strippers, aren't they? But it can also push in the middle. So you can open up a section of the middle if you're putting a through line in and you want to just contact in the middle, and that will work even in the middle of there. You can take a section out of there, cut it out and bare a bit of metal in the middle, and you'd end up with that. And as you saw in the drill video, it'll bear flex, round flex, although sometimes the round flex because of the casing's a little bit tight, but it will fit. It's also got crimping tools in there. Wire cutter up here, crimping tools down here. So I bought these when I was doing the wiring in the house. Invaluable, because I also have that style of stripper. They're not very good. In certain circumstances they are, but you have to find your wire gauge within the track there. And as you see, if you haven't got your proper wire gauge, they're a bloody nightmare. I've also got that type, piece of shite. Don't even bother wasting your time with them ones. Go to Lidl, search on eBay, wire strippers, loads of them come up, 8 to 9 quid. They are an amazing tool. Catch you later.